From Mumbai to Delhi now, after distancing itself from Bharti, calling this entire affair personal matter, senior AAP leaders have now sent out a request to Bharti to present himself before the police. Sources are telling India Today that Bharti believes Bharti's evasive action is proving to be embarrassing for them. Earlier in the day, sources close to Bharti had hinted that he may surrender if his anticipatory bail is rejected by the Delhi High Court. Let's get a word from Ankit Tyagi, who's with us on the phone line. Ankit, after repeatedly trying to distance itself from this personal controversy that Somnath Bharti is entangled in, the party now realizing that this is affecting its reputation as well.
That's right. And, you know, every time you talk about Somnath Bharti, there is a prefix attached to it. He is an Aam Aadmi Party MLA. He was the former Law Minister of Delhi. So, of course, the party, no matter how much they try, cannot escape the embarrassment that is being caused by Somnath Bharti not presenting himself as of now, without taking any sides. But it looks like Somnath Bharti is making only situation worse for him by not appearing before the police. It looks like that he's trying to evade questions by the cops, and as of now, this whole argument about the police being motivated does not carry any water, Simi, because the allegations have been leveled against him by his estranged wife, and serious allegations have been leveled against him that include attempt to murder, that domestic violence charges, that also include forgery and other charges that have been slapped against him. So Somnath Bharti, the more he's trying to delay this entire process, remember also now the cops have got a non-bailable warrant against Somnath Bharti, and his arrest is imminent if he does not surrender.
Right, and Ankit, the matter is also coming up before the Delhi High Court today. Somnath Bharti has moved the Delhi High Court for an anticipatory bail.
Well, this is what his legal team, in fact, is telling us. That they are moving to the Delhi High Court in hope of a relief from them. Yesterday, the Dwarka court had rejected his anticipatory bail. Somnath Bharti wants to try all legal options before he presents himself to the police, and they are today trying to go to the High Court and somehow try and get an anticipatory bail in this matter. The police so far is trying to locate Somnath Bharti. We have been told that his cell phone and other cell phone of his other associates is on surveillance as of now, and as soon as they are able to locate him, they will be moving in for the arrest.
Ankit, stay on with us. We're also being joined by former DCW Chief Barkha Shukla on the phone line. Ms. Shukla, we're now hearing that Somnath Bharti's legal team is likely to approach the Delhi High Court for anticipatory bail. Meanwhile, the Aam Aadmi Party also realizing that his absence is harming its image.
ये आम आदमी पार्टी को ये बहुत पहले रियलाइज कर लेना चाहिए था कि सोमनाथ भारती मुलजिम हैं। केजरीवाल जी लगातार उनको छुपा रहे थे, बचा रहे थे, पर कल की जो रिजेक्ट हुई है उनकी बेल, उससे उनको लगा कहीं न कहीं उनकी पार्टी को डैमेज हो रहा है। अब उन्होंने ये ड्रामा किया है कि उनको जाके सरेंडर कर देना चाहिए और जो भी प्रोसीडिंग चल रही है उसमें अपने आप को शामिल करना चाहिए। और मेरे ख्याल से ये आम आदमी पार्टी के लिए भी अच्छा होगा कि वो उनको अब जो है पुलिस के आगे सौंप दे।
Right, and Ms. Shukla, it's also surprising that somebody who's been the former Law Minister of Delhi and elected representative has such serious allegations leveled against him, and the party so far has refused to distance itself from such a person.
Sorry?
I'm saying, considering that Somnath Bharti faced such serious charges, the response of his party was quite surprising. They kept saying that this is a personal matter and they wouldn't want to comment on it.
No, कोई पर्सनल मैटर नहीं। वो उनकी केजरीवाल जी का, ही इज द बेस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ केजरीवाल, और उनको जो उनकी पार्टी का एमएलए है, उनको सबसे पहले ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट महिला सुरक्षा। ही इज एक्टिंग एज लाइक महिला सुरक्षा। कोई महिला की क्या सुरक्षा कर? उनका अपना मिनिस्टर, फॉर्मर मिनिस्टर, उनका अपना फ्रेंड, उनका अपना एमएलए अपनी वाइफ के साथ में ऐसे बुरा बर्ताव कर रहा है, एक औरत को मार रहा है, कुत्तों से कटवा रहा है, उसके ऊपर इतना ज्यादा इल्जाम लगा रहा है, और वो कह रहे हैं ये पर्सनल मैटर है। कोई पर्सनल, जब आपको बात कोर्ट तक पहुंच जाए, थाने तक पहुंच जाए, महिला आयोग में पहुंच जाए, तो पर्सनल मैटर नहीं रह जाती है। मिस्टर सोमनाथ को मैंने 3 बार अपने पास बुलाया और उन्होंने महिला आयोग की बेइज्जती करी। एक बार भी वहां आना उन्होंने मुनासिब नहीं समझा। उसके बाद में वो कोर्ट में भी नहीं आए। 2 बार एंटीसिपेटरी बेल के लिए लगाया, दोनों बार रिजेक्ट हुई है। आज वो कह रहे हैं उनका पर्सनल मैटर है। ये तो बहुत ही शर्म की बात है, केजरीवाल जी के लिए शर्म की बात है। उनको जो है इस पे बहुत पहले खुल के आ जाना चाहिए था और लिपिका को अपने पास बुला के, अगर ये पर्सनल मैटर था तो केजरीवाल जी को, लिपिका मित्रा को अपने पास बुलाना चाहिए था और सोमनाथ को बिठा के समझाना चाहिए था कि फैमिली मैटर है, पर्सनल मैटर है, घर में सॉल्व करो। लेकिन उन्होंने ऐसा नहीं किया। आज वो कह रहे हैं फैमिली मैटर है। ये सरासर गलत है, झूठ है। केजरीवाल जी की शय पे सब हुआ है। अब जब उन्हें लगा है कि वो गिरफ्तार होंगे।
And Ms. Shukla, what do you have to say to people close to Somnath Bharti who claim that this is an attempt to malign his reputation? They're saying these charges are motivated and not true.
देखिए, ऐसा है, ये चार्जेस जो है उनकी वाइफ ने लगाए हैं, किसी और ने नहीं लगाए हैं। ये उनकी बीवी है, उनके 2 बच्चों की माँ है जो ये बातें कह रही है और बाकायदा प्रूफ के साथ कह रही है। जो भी एलिगेशंस हैं वो उनकी वाइफ के हैं, उनके वो। और आज कल कोर्ट में जिस तरह से उनके वकील ने उस औरत पे, लिपिका मित्रा पे इतने गंदे वल्गर वर्ड्स यूज किए हैं, जो बातें कही हैं, मुझे नहीं लगता इस तरह की बातें किसी बीवी के लिए कहनी चाहिए। कल कोर्ट की जो हेयरिंग हुई है, आपको शायद पता लगी होगी कि उनके वकील मिस्टर अग्रवाल ने किस किस तरह की बातें लिपिका को कही है। ये बहुत शर्म की बात है। जब आपको कोई बचाव नहीं मिल रहा है, आप बीवी के लिए कह रहे हैं she was just a time pass. It's a shame for Kejriwal and his party also.
All right, Ms. Barka Shukla, thanks so much for speaking to India Today. That was the former chief of the Delhi Commission for Women, saying that what transpired in court was extremely shameful, with Somnath Bharti's lawyer embarrassing Lipika Mishra, Somnath's estranged wife. We have Ankit Tyagi with us, who tracks the Aam Aadmi Party. Ankit, you know, this is a common allegation that's being levelled against Kejriwal, that he for the longest time ignored these serious allegations that were levelled against Somnath Bharti and refused and just dismissed them as a personal matter.
That's right, and in fact, this is something that the party will find very hard to defend. Initially, when this whole matter came to light, possibly if something would have done at that time, at least the party would have shown some sensitivity towards Deepika. They would have been able to escape this embarrassment. But, you know, at that point of time, Somnath Bharti had assured the senior leadership of the party that this is just a turbulence within his married life, and he would be able to sail through. And that is what the party leaders say they believe. They never thought that this will come to this point. So, but as of now, the more delay Somnath Bharti is causing, in joining the investigation, this is going to cause embarrassment not only to him but also to the party, which so far had backed Bharti.
And Ankit, this is not the first controversy that Somnath Bharti finds himself embroiled in. He was also criticized for that midnight raid that he carried out on residences of African women in Kirki Extension.
Well, if you go by Somnath Bharti's resume, it's not very impressive as far as the political controversies are concerned, Simi. That controversy was huge. In fact, the Delhi police had acted against him. There were allegations made against Somnath Bharti for being insensitive, for being racist. Despite that, the party backed him. He was, in fact, certain other controversies that he was embroiled in also. But the party had backed him, calling it political vendetta. So Somnath Bharti has been somebody who has been seen as a politician or an MLA who shoots off the cuff. He says things that not only then become controversial and that becomes difficult for the party to defend him, but in this matter, there is an FIR that has been lodged by his own wife, and very serious charges have been evoked on Somnath Bharti. So it is getting difficult not only for him but also for the party to stand behind Somnath Bharti.
Right, and Ankit, it's interesting to note that in spite of all the controversies that Somnath Bharti has been embroiled in, the Aam Aadmi Party has almost stuck by him. Despite the criticism that he faced for that midnight raid, he was once again made the Aam Aadmi Party's MLA from the area, and he won that seat.
He did, and they said at that time, that was a testimony that the people of the area had given a thumbs up to Somnath Bharti in what they said that the other version of the story was not heard of. According to them, there was drug smuggling, drug peddling, and a lot of other nefarious activities that were taking place, and the police was not doing anything about it. So the win that Somnath Bharti got with large numbers with votes, the party then tried to project it as a victory of Somnath Bharti, as his popularity among the people. But that does not take the fact away that Somnath Bharti has time and again been embroiled in a lot of controversies, and the things that he has said have always been criticized by the opposition. It has given fodder to the opposition, but this time there is no way that the party can in any way defend Somnath Bharti.
Ankit, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more. Ankit also reporting that Somnath Bharti's team is likely to move the Delhi High Court for anticipatory bail today.